Happy birthday, Wantable! Hey y'all, it's me, Serena, and I'm so excited to be with you here today celebrating Wantable's 10th birthday. When Wantable reached out to me and asked if I wanted to be part of their 10th birthday special unboxing promotion, I said absolutely. You guys know I love Wantable. It's one of the few subscription box unboxing videos that I still do, and I have been partnering with Wantable for over a year now. I love Wantable. I have kept so many clothes that I've received in their boxes, and we just want to celebrate their 10th birthday. I can't believe they've been around for 10 years, but apparently they have. And if you would like to try Wantable for yourself, I have a code, or a link rather, in the description box below that you can click on to try it and get $30 off your first box. A little about Wantable. They are a subscription styling service, and styling service. And you fill out your style profile. It's super easy, and then they curate a look for you and send you 7 items in your box, which I think is a really good number. It's not too few, it's not too many, and you get 5 days to try those items out in your home and then send back the ones you don't want to keep. They provide an address, paid mailer. Send back what you're not keeping and keep what you want. It couldn't be easier. So if you haven't tried Wantable, be sure to use my link and sign up for Wantable today. Also with Wantable, if you keep 5 of the 7 items that they've sent in your box, then you get 20% off your entire order. Yeah, and that's a really good discount for a subscription box. I mean, really good. With some others, you have to keep everything, but with Wantable, just 5 of the 7 gets you 20% off. And they do have a $20 styling fee, and of course that gets applied toward anything that you decide to keep. So let's get into the try-on. In my first look, I am showing the Pasadena puff sleeve tee in white in size small. This is by 78 and Sunny, and this is just a jazzed up plain white tee. It's nice because it does have the little puff detail, and then the sleeves come almost all the way down to my elbow, so it does cover that upper arm. You know, I know a lot of y'all are concerned about showing shoulders or upper arms, so this would be a great top for that. This little top is $44. Now I will say it's a little bit on the thin side, so you definitely want to wear nude undies with it, or bra. And I'm wearing it with these shorts by Democracy. These are some of the Absolution shorts, the striped short in cactus water. So these are a size 6 and they are $68. These have a ton of stretch, and I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe right now. They have a kind of a white background, and then they have olive green stripe running through them, and then kind of a chambray blue colored stripe running through them. And so I have tops in both those colors already that I could wear with these shorts, so they would blend right into my wardrobe very easily. So I really like these. They're super comfy, super stretchy. And of course, you know, Democracy with the Absolution technology, it has that panel in the front to hold your tummy in. So these are great shorts. This is a great outfit. Okay, in my second look, I kept on the white top and just changed out the shorts. And these shorts are the Drawstring linen short in the color chocolate, size medium by Dex. And these little shorts are $55. These are really cute, and again, this is a color that I do not currently have in my wardrobe. It's a very rich kind of chocolatey brown, just like the name implies, and it has a nice stretchy waist plus a functioning drawstring. And these are a little bit shorter inseam, but the way they're loose, they hang down a little bit lower at the leg. These are probably about a 3.5 inch inseam, whereas that first pair I had on was a 4.5 inch inseam, and that's kind of my sweet spot for shorts inseams on me. But these are super comfy. I like the way that they're loose around the thigh so they don't squeeze anything or make your legs look bigger. Y'all let me know what you think about these shorts. I think they're pretty cute. Hey, real quick, if you're liking this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't. I would love to have you stick around here with me for the long haul and enjoy all the fun we have here on my channel. Okay, so I finally moved over. I realized that I was in the center of the screen and probably getting cut off with my try-ons because I hadn't moved over. But anyway, y'all just bear with me here today. So in this next look, it is a color combination that I am super fond of. It is black and olive green. And this black t-shirt is the Megan V-neck tunic tee in black, size small. It is by the brand Another Love. And this little tee is $46. And yes, it is long enough that, especially on me, that it is definitely tunic length. But it's thin and stretchy and whatnot enough that you can do the front tuck and you don't have a bunch of extra bulk. So I was able to do that easily. And I think you could also tie it in a knot and wear it like that. And then you could also throw it on with some leggings or bike shorts or jeggings or whatever, skinny jeans, and wear it as a tunic tee. And so great basic piece there. And the shorts, I really like these. This is another pair of Democracy shorts. These are the high-rise double button utility short. And these are also a size 6 and they are $68. Now yes, I already have a pair of olive green shorts that I have purchased this year, but the style is a little bit different than these, and these are a lot more stretchy. These are super comfy. So I'm thinking these might be a contender. I'm a sucker for olive green. I love it. I have a lot of it in my wardrobe. So these are right up my alley. And with it, I'm also showing this tote bag. This is one of the totes similar to one I showed you a while back on Amazon in a swimsuit haul I did. I'll try to remember to link that video up here. But this is the boutique brand of the neoprene bags. It's Taylor Gray is the brand, and this is the large neoprene tote in Lizzie. And let me show you that close up. So here's a more close-up view of the tote. If you look carefully, you can see that there is a very subtle animal print in the black. And it doesn't scream at you, and sometimes when you're looking at it, it just reads as solid black, but then when you really look, you can see that pattern, and I think that's really cool. And then the stripe down the front is silver, gold, and black. This one is a little bit more understated than my other one I have that's from Amazon. It's a silver, gray, and black snake print. I will say this one is more expensive. This is what Amazon has knocked off. Okay, this is the real deal. This is $88. But I do have to say, I've compared them both, and this one does feel more substantial than the Amazon one. It's thicker. It just feels heavier. It does have the little pouch that can be a wristlet. It's got the little wristlet on it. You can carry just with a zipper. You can put your small items in here and throw them in the bag so they're not out loose inside the bag. And then it does have another little tiny pocket right there. I don't know, you could probably stick your keys or something like that in there. And then it's a really generously sized tote. And you can also snap these ends together, and it changes the silhouette of the bag to this. So I saw a girl carrying one of these the other day when I was out and about shopping, and it looked totally cute. You know, she had her kids with her. This is a great kind of bag for if you do have kids or grandkids or whatever and you need to carry their stuff with you. You can use this as a all-purpose tote plus a purse, and then if you need to just run in somewhere real quick and don't want to carry this whole thing, you've got the little wristlet. So I think this is really nice. Like I said, this is the boutique brand of these, the Taylor, what's it called? Taylor Gray. And I think this one is just super cute. I love the style and the colors on this one. Okay, next look is a dress. This is the square neck flutter sleeve dress in olive. Again, my color, olive green. This is by the brand Leami, and it is a size medium. This dress is $58. So this is a really sweet dress. It's very comfy. It is just an easy, flowy, great dress for hot days. And for $58, I really don't think that is too bad of a price for a one and done outfit. This dress is not something that I would pick for myself because it does have kind of that baby doll fit at the top, and those kind of dresses tend to make me look bigger than I am. And also because of the length. The length is right below my knees. So this is not a length that I gravitate toward because of my height. So you guys let me know what you think about this dress. I do think it's really cute. It's definitely out of my comfort zone, so to speak. So if I keep this, it would be definitely something that I don't have in my closet. So you guys let me know what you think about this dress. I do love the color. It's lined. It's just a knit material, super soft. So let me know what you think about this one. So my thoughts just right off the bat, I am thinking as far as keepers, maybe the tote, maybe. I know I already have one, but I really like the coloring and the pattern on that neoprene tote. I really like it. I'm also thinking about those striped shorts because, like I said, I don't have anything like that in my closet at all. And also those olive green shorts. I'm just a sucker for the olive green, and those are so soft and so stretchy and comfy. I know I would wear them a ton. The linen shorts, I like those too, but I feel like they might be a little bit too short. You guys let me know what you think about those. And the t-shirts, I already have a t-shirt that's basically identical to the black one, kind of a tunic length v-neck t-shirt, so I'm probably going to pass on that. The white puff sleeve, you guys let me know what you think about that one, and I'll watch the footage back too and see how it looks and see if I need to add that to my closet. But thank you guys for joining me today. I'm so happy that you did, and please don't forget, if you would like to try Wantable, I can't recommend them enough. I love Wantable. You will get $30 off if you use the link down below and sign in or sign up for Wantable. And don't forget, you get your $20 styling fee taken off anything you keep, and 20% off 5 items or more if you keep 5. So really good discount program with Wantable. So thanks again for joining me today, and until I see you in my next video, have a stylish day. Bye-bye.